Morning everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you're doing really well. Sorry that I never finished vlogging yesterday. I'm just heading out to get my hair done today. I'm taking John's car. I have his car today. Oh, I got new Vans yesterday, guys. I'm so excited that they arrived. Brand new Vans. I got them from JD. I'll show you them now. Is it just me or does anyone else love the box the Vans come in? These are the Vans. Ah, da, 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 da. That's for the bin. Aren't they just so cute? I just love them. I just think that they're really nice. Right, I'm gonna get out of this place because I need to go get my hair done and try and drive John's car. I've never driven it before, so I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure everything will go to plan.
Look who's here, Chewy. Hello, how are you, baby boy? Oh, hello, my little fluffy baby. Come on in, let's go in.
Hey guys, so I was just over with my mum and dad and now I am heading off. I'm in the car. Obviously because I'm in John's car today, I have no like mount, so I can't vlog when I'm driving. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go home and clean up the house, and I also need to make a trip to Penny's because I have one dressing gown. I need to get a second one because when one is in the wash I need to have another one. Does that make sense? And the grey one gets dirty really quickly. I know this is like so stupid, but the grey one gets so dirty and it just kind of like gets makeup on it. I don't know how, because I don't even wear like makeup like I'm not wearing makeup that much lately, but it's like it gets like little, maybe like there's bits that I forgot to like remove around my neck or something, and it kind of rubs off and gets on it. So I need kind of like a dressing gown that's not going to get as messed. So I was thinking like maybe like a pink one or something might be nice. Yeah, that's just what I'm thinking. And I also need to get a few more like little night dresses because I'm wearing like night dresses in the apartment. It just feels nicer just to like, I don't lie down on the couch and stuff in a night dress because it's not as like warm, you know, like wearing leggings. Anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. Jam bottoms sometimes can just make you a little bit like sweaty, especially if you're in front of the fire. So I need a few like little night dresses, so I might pick up another one of them. I think that's all I need to get. So I'm gonna make a trip to Penny's. I feel like I live in there these days, but it's just like, you know, trying to get like bits and pieces. I also got another question from you guys, just been like, you know, what am I gonna do with my clothes and stuff? Am I moving them over? Am I buying new clothes? No, I am actually moving my clothes over like little bits and pieces at a time. I just need to get a wardrobe. So we don't have wardrobes yet, so it's just kind of like complicated. I'm like living out of like the rail that I have, but it's perfect for now. I just kind of keep repeating like outfits or whatever, and it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna get a wardrobe eventually. I'm thinking of getting the big Pax wardrobe from IKEA. They're expensive, like they're about €800, but that's what I'm just thinking. The other alternative is John said that he could actually make a wardrobe system. I don't know how he would do that, but I'm sure he could because he's well able to do loads of things like that. Like he's really good at making things. He's very handy. So that's the other alternative. But I need a wardrobe because it's just ridiculous that I have like clothes everywhere and like nowhere to put them away, and it's just kind of getting out of hand, and I keep like bringing over more clothes and stuff that I might need and then buying more clothes, and it's just like getting out of hand naturally. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Anyway, well, I'm gonna go to Penny's now, get my dressing gown, and I think I might need another pillowcase as well because I got new duvets or duvet cover, and I need a pillowcase. I have pink pillowcases, but I don't think I have another sheet. I have to double check. I think I bought another. I'm not sure. I'll actually check when I get home first to see do I have a sheet, and if I have a sheet then I just obviously won't get another one. The other thing I want to do is I want to get a coffee. I got a coffee and I left it in the hairdressers when I went this morning. I got my hair done. I'm so excited. It looks lovely. Yeah, but I left my coffee behind the hairdresser, so I need to get one that I can actually enjoy and drink. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back. Let's turn down the radio. And I went to Penny's and I got my dressing gown. They didn't have any night dresses, so be it. Had to do without it. And I also got a Costa. I decided that I was going to get a gingerbread latte. I haven't had one of them since like last year, and I was like, let's start with the festivities. It's not quite the billionaire latte, guys, but the billionaire latte will be making a comeback pretty soon. I am sure of it. I'm like dying for it. And like even when I used to go in there into Costa like last December, I'd walk in the door and they'd be like, billionaire latte. I'd be like, yeah girl, you know what I want, you know what I want. They just knew every single morning I'd be in for my billionaire latte. And then like if I wouldn't come in, like, but I think I made it in like nearly every morning, but if there was a morning I didn't come in and then I'd see them the next one, they're like, oh, you weren't here yesterday. I was like, I know, I didn't get my billionaire latte. I'm addicted to them. I actually love them. I remember going to Costa twice in a day, a few times during the month, to get the billionaire latte, and I was devo.com when they all ended in January. I was like, oh my god, no, I need them back. And now it's nearly time for them to make a comeback, guys. Who's excited? Hands up if you've been here since the billionaire lattes last year. Hands in the air. Very excited for the comeback. Anyway, I'm gonna go home now and get myself organized and you know, do my daily routine and clean out the fire, etc. I have a lot to do, so I'll chat to you in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm just home now and I'm editing, working away, and I'm editing and I'm working on a morning routine as well. I filmed morning routine this morning, so hopefully that will be up soon. I'm kind of like doing last little touches of it, because even though it was a morning routine, there's some bits that I actually filmed this afternoon just so that they would, you know, you'd understand what my whole morning's like. And I'm currently editing my IKEA haul, so I hope that will be up today. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now, and I've just kind of like cleaned up the whole apartment and stuff like that, and put away some of the stuff I got in pennies. And what else did I do? Kind of like just bits and pieces around here. Like, I'm still drinking my coffee about 10,000 years later as well. Hey guys, I'm just after having dinner. It was delicious, like pesto pasta dinner. And I'm now watching Along Came Polly. I love that movie. I've watched it a million times before, but it never ever gets old, and it's always still funny. So I hope you guys have had a lovely day. It's definitely not the most exciting vlog ever, but I just thought I would document my day anyway for you guys, and maybe something interesting happened in it. Anyway, I love you so much guys, and I can't wait to see you all in tomorrow's vlog. Mwah. Bye.